I dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hi viewers, I am Asif with the new topic car injury lawyers. First of all, we have to discuss about finding the best car accident attorney. Dear viewers, a car accident attorney is the type of personal injury attorney. You can be by the number of options there are in your area. It seems like every commercial bus, bench, and the billboards is offering the services of another attorney. By asking the right questions and looking for the right credentials, you shall be able to narrow the field down to one that's right for you. And second important thing is that we have to keep in our mind during the car injury lawyers, like many personal injury attorneys focus on a particular type of the case. Some handle workers compensation cases, others handle class action lawsuits against the manufacturers, and other handle car accident. You want to find out attorney that has a lot of experience with the car accidents. Look for the lawyers. Dear viewers, you have to keep in your mind that look for the lawyers who has taken cases all the way to trial. In the unlikely event your case doesn't settle before then, of course, with this experience, there should be a winning track record of getting appropriate settlement and adjustment and judgments from their insurance companies. And other question is that what are the fees of the car injury lawyers? Actually depend upon their experience. It's not secret that the attorneys cost a pretty penny. You want to find an attorney who works on contingency, meaning they don't make any money until you get your settlement or the judgment. Most personal injuries attorneys work for a percentage of the final award amount. This is typically around 33% and potentially more if your case goes to trial. You shall also probably be the responsible for costs such as filing fees and expert witness fees. Read the lawyer fee agreement closely so you understand what you are responsible for. This is very important thing, dear viewers. Read the lawyer's fees agreement closely to you understand what you are responsible for. Don't make the decision solely on the fee. If they are the best, they may be worth the extra money. Are they able to communicate clearly? Definitely you shall have a lot of the question in the course of your case. You want to have an attorney who can speak to you in a way that you understand what is going on. A lawyer sticking to legal jargon may seems impressive, but you will find yourself confused in the process. Dear viewers, this is also very important thing that are they respected by their peers. Do some research online to see what other attorneys have to say about them. Don't be afraid to ask them what percentage of their business comes from other attorney referrals. The higher the percentage, the better. Referrals mean the other attorney have a high amount of respect. Dear viewers, for the person you are talking to, enough respect that they risk their own reputation on a recommendation. A good attorney, a good car injury attorney is also willing to provide references that speak to their abilities. You can also contact the state bar to find out whether the lawyer has been subject to any disciplinary action. Do they have a professional office? Of course, you need an attorney who has the resources to handle your case. This means that they have the staff capable of doing investigate work and addressing issues as they arise. Dear viewers, it's likely that you shall be interacting with some of these staff members as your case progresses. An organized office space is also good indication that the attorney is running a professional business. It does not hard to trust an attorney who is flipping through files, typing to find your case when you come in for a meeting. When you need a auto accident lawyer, basically, dear viewers, regarding the car injury lawyers, it's possible to handle an auto accident injury case on your own. You don't necessarily need to hire a lawyer, but that begs the questions, why should you hire? Basically, the reason that you should get an auto accident attorney is you will likely be given the bare minimum by an insurance company. If you handle the case on your own, insurance companies are in the business to make a profit, and they do this in part by keeping claims costs down when possible. Dear viewers, you might not be aware of certain legal rights to compensate for things like the emotional trauma, and auto accident attorney knows the in and outs of the process, and as a result, dear viewers, is able to get you the most for your accident. That's their good job. When should you look for an auto accident lawyers? This is also very questions. When you got the car injury, so this is very important decision, that when should you look for an auto accident lawyer. While you can bring an attorney on your case at any time before the settlement is closed by the insurance company, it's best to go one as soon as possible, as soon as you are injured. This is important line, please keep in your mind. The attorney may recommend specialist doctors to help diagnose the case and get you the best care that you deserve. And getting an attorney on the board right away minimizes the chance that you shall make a settlement to the insurance company that damages your chances for a good settlement. Most clients find that the earlier that they get an attorney, the better their settlement becomes. Dear viewers, these are the many questions we discuss in this topic. Another important question is that lot of the people asking to me, is it worth hiring a car accident lawyer? Is it worth hiring a car accident lawyer? While you aren't mean required to hire a car accident lawyer, getting one can improve what you get as a settlement. Even after attorney fees are taken out, most people get more than they would have if they tried to settle the case on their own. Dear viewers, should I get a lawyer for an accident that was my fault? Also important questions. Should I get a lawyer for an accident that was my fault? It's best to get a lawyer for the accident where you are not at a fault and seeks to get a settlement or the judgment from another party insurance carrier. If you feel that your own insurance company is not handling your case properly, you may retain an attorney to advocate on your behalf. And dear viewers, last thing, what is a fair settlement for the pain and the suffering? Dear viewers, the more severe your injuries, the more compensation you are likely to be received for a pain and suffering. Many factors go into calculating a pain and the suffering settlement, and the amount you get will depend on the unique circumstances of your case. On average, most car accident claims have pain and suffering settlements ranging from $5,000 to $25,000 depend upon the cases. These are the things, dear viewers. And next thing I would like to explain you what are the common injuries in a car accident. The most common injuries include there are many things in front of you, like the soft tissues injuries and the broken bones and the bruised ribs and many things. Basically, the most injuries areas of the body include the head, neck, back, and spine, wrist and hand, knee, foot, and ankle. So these are the most common injuries that are in an accident. What happened to your body when you get hit by a car? Definitely, some of the most common injuries includes broken bones. I already explained to you in a detail. Second thing is that how do you know if an injury is a serious or not? When checked when your doctor, basically a doctor will decide it to you that how you do you have a serious injury or not. And second thing, do you know a lawyer after a car accident? Do you need I already explained to you that only an experienced personal injury lawyers has the legal knowledgeable and skill to be acceptable of protecting your rights to compensation by knowing how to present evidence to provide fault on the part of the other country. Dear viewers, what does a car accident lawyer do? Our car accident lawyers review the circumstances of the accident to identify evidence of fault on the part of their parties, and other thing is in front of you. So I hope, dear viewers, I this video very beneficial for your information. Even I give you the name of the best attorneys, like best attorney names I can give to you, like Atlanta. This is also the big personal injury, car injury law firms. Atlanta is there, Augusta one is also there, and Columbus is there, and Macon, and many companies, Downwoody, Roswell. These are the big world companies.